Now I want to show people something. People think snakes enjoy laying around, being bored to death with no activities in their life. This is Belle. I just happened to look over. I just got online on the computer. And this is why I always raise my babies over here, because they enjoy watching TV and they enjoy watching the monitor. And I'm sorry, but if you think your snakes are content because they lay around in a ball all day long in their enclosure, doing nothing, no physical activities, no freedom to express themselves, you really need to learn a lot about snakes, because you're way behind on care. These animals are thinking animals. They have intelligence. They love activities. They love socializing with people. And contrary to popular beliefs, being out and being around people does not mean that they're only tolerating them. It means that they enjoy their company and their companionship. They enjoy having a little bit of freedom to express themselves. And this is Belle begging me to bring her back out. She loves watching my computer, my monitor over here, my gaming monitor. She sits here. I raised all my babies over here by that monitor. And as you can see, they can watch television. They love TV, and they love watching videos on my monitor. And she's begging me to take her back out. And she's been doing this on and off today. Every time I take her out, put her back in, she pitches a little bit of a temper tantrum. That's the only time she gets in her hide, is when she's upset with me because I put her back in her enclosure. But now she's begging me to bring her back out again. She's doing great. She's a great eater. She switched over to frozen thawed really easy. It's really not hard to do if you know what you're doing, but she's a good eater. She's very strong, very healthy, and she's growing really fast. So I'm expecting this girl to be a good-sized girl, the rate she's growing. But she's a happy snake. She likes people. Sorry about the speckles. They're on my glass. What, baby? Belle wants to come out, huh? I'm sorry. I'm making dinner. I can't bring you out right now. I will after dinner, and you can sit and watch TV with me. How's that? She's begging me to bring her out. See, the tongue flicks? She's thinking. She's trying to figure out how to get out. It's a thinking process when the tongue's a full flick like that. They're calculating and thinking. That's what they do. They're not stupid animals. People think they're dumb for some reason. I don't know why they do, because they're really not dumb animals at all.
Really big.
She's sitting here begging me to take her out. She loves being out.
Travis, look at her. She came from Travis Johnson.
See, she just noticed I got a video back up. Now watch her.
She's going to be as big as Chewy, I guarantee you.
What is it, Belle? The computer
Where's
back
the
up?
phone over? All I can see is her
She's
tail.
pacing. This means she is
Oh, there
restless.
she is.
It doesn't mean she's stressed
She's
out.
really fast. I took her out and might give her some activities and make her a bigger hide. Yeah, it's a camera.
See?
Just like Chewy.
It doesn't mean she's stressed out. That doesn't mean she's not happy in her environment. That means she wants to come out.
Always got to make a statement.
People are so crazy that keep snakes.
Jasmine's
By the way, I'm making this for you, John, just to show you how beautiful Belle is. She's a sweetheart. She just loves everybody. Pretty soon she'll be moving into her 34-inch NPI enclosure that I bought her. I wanted her to get comfortable as a young girl over here in this one, because it's a smaller enclosure, and then she'll move into her larger one where she'll have a lot more room for physical activities and exercise and to express herself freely. Hi, Belle. What are you doing, pretty girl? This is what my house is like with my snakes. My snakes always get my attention. They always want my attention. Hi, pretty Belle. She's begging to come out. That's what she's doing. Going back and forth, trying to find a way to get out. And she knows how to come out. She knows she comes out the top. They're not stupid animals. But I keep bricks on top to keep them secured so they can't push them off. But she'll keep trying. Hi, Belle. She's getting really big, John. I was watching videos and stuff on YouTube, and I just happened to glance over, and she's sitting there with her nose in the corner watching it. And she's begging me to take her out, is what she's doing. You want to come out, don't you? After I turn the computer off, I'll bring you out. Look at her. Trying to find a way out. So I'm going to be out with you. This one is definitely a lap snake. She just loves the attention and the affection that you show her. She's going to be a big girl. She's definitely going to be a beautiful girl. Belle's a clown ball python. She's getting really big really fast. She's a fantastic eater. I switched her from live to frozen thawed and 2 feedings, so she's doing great on her frozen thawed. I just want to make a quick video showing people how wrong they are about their snakes. They pace because they want to be out. They pace because they get bored. Snakes get bored. I'd be bored to death too, sitting in one spot all the time in a little square box. Come on, really, people. If you really believe that, you should be keeping snakes because you don't know anything about them. She's really long. You watching videos on YouTube, Belle? Huh? You know, people think snakes are dumb animals. They really are not. They're very intelligent, and they are very easily amused by things. Mine will sit here forever and watch TV, watch the computer monitor. You watching Snake Bites TV? Look at her. Tell me they don't have a thinking capacity and emotions and feelings. You like Brian, Belle? You can't even distract her attention.
And they're absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at this one right here. Look at the tail on that and the patterning on that. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely incredible.
That's a reflection of my monitor and the end of her tank.
I might actually grab a rubber and kind of put them all.
Kind of hard to get them both together. Uh-oh, where'd he go? Where did he go? Huh? Where'd his video go? Let me fix it for you. There you go. She didn't even move. Sat there patiently waiting for the video to start back up. You're amazing, Belle. She loves people. She absolutely loves being around people. Watching every move on it. What's he doing, Belle? Huh? What's he doing?
Jessica, I got a gift for you. Does that look like a tokay gecko egg? And it looks like a turtle. Look at guys, literally in this box.
Belle is literally watching YouTube. As soon as I turned the computer on, she came off the top of her hide. Right over here watching. You can't distract her either. What are you doing, Belle? You like YouTube? Huh? You like YouTube?
That is the last one in this bag here. Oh my gosh. And I spotted one in here that was absolutely spectacular. Take a look at the tail on that one right there. Oh
amazing.
God, that is definitely a keeper right here. Again, I was going to raise up maybe a male and 2
Nothing they do surprises me anymore. I've seen them do so many amazing things. You like Brian Barczyk? She's stuck watching this video. His latest upload. Oh my goodness, Belle.
Oh my gosh, right off the rip. Oh my gosh. That one is
What's he doing, Belle?
Just take a look at the color on that animal right there. Oh my gosh, it's got like connecting saddles and really
You can't distract her for anything.
as well. And that's where the saddles have these widow peaks right here. Oh my god, that one is a stunner. And then look at the rest of these right here. Oh my god.
Is that interesting? Huh?
This is some of the